lunch with me. So I am having tapa. Look, this is from Taste of Magalang. Tsaka of course, itong mga kasing coffee that will keep me up. Alam mo, super sarap ng mga food nila doon sa Taste of Magalang. It's located along the road papuntang San Francisco. Sobrang sarap ng mga food nila. Though it's a bit pricey than Pabalance. So Pabalance kasi parang nasa 120 ata yung tapa. But this one around 130 to 140, I'm not sure. But it's worth the price. Like yung tapa niya, sobrang laki ng size. Ang sarap. Malalasahan mo talaga yung real tapa. Sobrang sarap. Taste of Magalang. Sarap.